Alright guys, so this is what's going on here. We got to take that downspout and tie it in with this downspout. Right here is going to be the D-box, solid cover D-box. And then we're going to take the basin here, okay? I don't want to go any further. All right, so we ended up having to disassemble a little bit of this retaining wall, but we replaced the old system with cleanouts. I can run cameras through that. Now those three all come to this one distribution box. Then, to get all that water the heck out of here, we have one of our 16-inch deep, because we got so much slope on the system. So there's the grate. That is an outlet grate. We're going to take that one. Oh yeah, they all have to have the clean out. Every one of them. They all have to have the Y with the grate. All of them. So run that one out to a D box. And then we got to get the water past these two landscape beds so that it makes it out to the road. Okay, guys? All right. Now this one's on its own. Nothing we could do. Too hard to tie these in together. We'll do up to 3 gutter drops on one D-box. So there's our clean out. There's our D-box. Catch shingle, gravel, leaves, and debris. And then we got as far down as we could before getting into electric, fiber optics. So we got electrical and we got communication. This one, clean out, all of them, the clean out, D-box, and then get that basin right there. Okay. Got a lot of slope on our system, a lot of slope. So again, we can pop the grate out. We could run a camera through here. It's a great vent. You could pop that grate out, stick your leaf blower in there, take off the lid to your D-box, blow the leaves right out of it. This will catch any shingle gravel that comes off the roof. It'll just fill that box over time. There's our outlet. There's a bunch of holes drilled in them. You guys probably have seen that all before if you are a subscriber to the channel, and if you're not, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. So clean out, clean out, put that one and this one, bring them down here, D-box, and then basin. We try to teach homeowners the right way to manage their water. So we have a downspout right here. And we have one in the corner here. We were using the solid high octane yard drain manufactured by the Boffman Tile Company for this job. They wanted the superior strength, so we got 2 that go to this D-box. We really took this far because it's just so soft in here. It is terribly soft in here. It's horribly soft in here, so we wanted to come all the way down to here. Now that's an outlet basin, and the water runs down to a storm drain. Okay, so we have this one, clean out with the grate and the Y. This one, clean out with a grate and a Y. Put these together, do a D-box, and then run it down to here for the outlet basin. Now over here, we tied these 2 in to the same D-box. Man, that's a really nice look. Nice and clean. Beautiful. God, the guys do such good work. So those 2 tie into this distribution box. And then again, we have them discharging way down here. Okay, so this one's by itself, D-box, basin, clean out. We have one standalone over here. Goes to its own D-box, and then we ran it way down into the swale here. That's to discharge that water, and then it all goes to the storm drain. So this roof runoff system, some might think it's a little overkill. And then we're right back to the front again. You know what? Let's do this one, this one, and that one. Run them to a D-box, 3 pipes into 1 solid cover, and then the outlet basin here. So where I started this video in the front, let's grab that one, that one, that one. This one's gonna have to be in the bed. Come out here to a D-box solid. You'll have 1, 2, 3, then 1 pipe to an outlet basin. But you know what? Here at the French Drain Man team, we like overkill. Nice clean out. Just beautiful. Again, those 3 go right there. Discharge way down here. By the time the water makes it that far, it is no harm to this beautiful home in Rochester Hills, Michigan. All right, everybody. Until that next video.